I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start with safety first. Unplug the cord and confirm no power. Once done, inspect and mark the damaged segment, then cut it out using a utility knife so you have clean ends. Make sure to strip about 1/2 inch of insulation from each conductor. This exposes fresh copper for a reliable connection. As you work, keep wires separated to avoid shorting and organize terminals left and right so reassembly is straightforward. You now join the conductors. Match color to color and twist the bare wires together tightly. This improves contact before you permanently secure them. If soldering, heat and apply solder until it flows into the strands. If crimping, compress the connector firmly with the correct tool. Once the metal connection is solid, slide heat, shrink over each joint, and shrink with controlled heat. This insulates and strengthens. Make sure there's no exposed copper. You finish by rebuilding the jacket. Overlap electrical tape around all insulated joints, then slide a larger heat shrink sleeve over the whole repair and shrink it to restore mechanical strength. Once cooled, test continuity and check for shorts or leakage with a multimeter to confirm proper insulation. If the cord still fails, double-check each crimp or solder for cold joints, look for stray strands causing shorts, and verify grounding continuity. If problems persist, replace the cord. Don't risk an unsafe repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.